Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off your active status on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply access your Instagram app on your mobile phone first. And here in this home section, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon here below section. Now tap on this three horizontal line on top right. Tap on settings and privacy afterwards. Here in this section you will find this kind of interface with menu options, right? You have to simply scroll a bit and tap on this option of message and story replies. Here in the section you will be able to find this how people can reach you on top and who can see your online. Show activity status option you will get. Tap on it. Now you can see for us we have turned it off. You can simply, if by default it is turned on, over here you can simply choose to tap on this dog and simply turn it off. Once it's in the gray color, that means your activity status for Instagram is now simply turned off, and you can turn it on whenever you want just by coming over here. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.